Lately on social media, you must have noticed those crazy smooth animations and eye-catching transitions popping up everywhere. Most of these are created using this tool called Higgsfield, which is one of the most popular AI tools right now for animations, ads and UGC content. What makes it interesting is that it brings in some of the most powerful image and video models all together under one single roof. So today, let's explore and see how this tool can be useful for architects and designers. Quick note, this tool is not free and I have already burnt my wallet to purchase a subscription, so I might as well share it with you guys to see if it's useful. I'm Salman, an architect and an illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can grow together as a design community. So let's get started. You can access Higgsfield from the link in the description. As I mentioned, this is not a free platform and the subscription starts from $23 a month. This will take you into the homepage of Higgsfield. We see a list of all these crazy VFX that is possible with this platform. Primarily, the platform has two modes, image and video. Let's take a look at both these modes. The first tool is the most basic one, which is to create images. We have all major AI models to choose from to create images with. Let's choose the Nano Banana Pro, pick an image ratio, resolution and batch size. I've written a simple prompt to create a multi-story classical villa with pitched roof and placed in the center of mountains and forest. Click generate. And we obviously know that the Nano Banana Pro model is going to give us some excellent results. Based on the model that we select, the image settings also change in the prompt box. The Angles 2.0 is a very interesting tool to work with. This tool generates multiple angles of any image that we provide, and surprisingly, it works really well with architectural and interior images. I've uploaded this image, which is a courtyard space. On the right side, we have an option to move the camera around the image using an orbit. We can also use these sliders to adjust the rotation, tilt and zoom of the camera. Or if you simply press this icon called Generate from 12 Best Angles, the AI will automatically create multiple images from various angles using the image that we provided. Click Generate and we can see there are multiple images that have been produced that show multiple angles of the arches, walkways, some from low angle, wide angle and more. The outputs stay consistent to the original image and it retains the architectural design, materials and character. This can be a very efficient tool to produce multiple angles of an image quickly and seamlessly. The real purpose of AI is to remove the repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Floor plan rendering on Photoshop is one such task which takes many hours, managing layers, hunting for textures, and endlessly tweaking details. That's exactly why we created the Floor Plan Rendering Masterclass with Nano Banana Pro. In this course, you will learn how to turn simple CAD drawings into clean, realistic presentation-ready floor plans in just minutes. You will discover efficient workflows for creating both photorealistic layouts and artistic Pinterest-style visuals, and even learn how to convert standard 2D floor plans into isometric visuals. The course also includes a downloadable PDF with 30+ ready-to-use prompts that you can simply copy and paste into Nano Banana Pro to get high quality and consistent results each time. Whether you're preparing for client presentations, upgrading your portfolio, or creating content for social media, this workflow helps you get there faster with great visual quality. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access this masterclass today. The next tool we're looking at is Cinema Studio 2.0, which is Higgsfield's advanced AI filmmaking workspace that lets us have cinematic control over images and videos. Instead of typing prompts, we can configure cameras, lenses, shots, and characters like a virtual film set. Inside this tab, we can mix and match multiple cameras, lenses, focal length, and aperture, and this will create the cinematic kind of effect. Let's upload this image of an A-frame cabin, describe it with a simple prompt, choose the resolution, and pick this recommended series of camera and lenses. Click Generate and we can see that the output has the cinematic look, giving a bokeh effect on the edges on both the outputs. Choosing multiple lenses, cameras and aperture will ultimately affect the kind of output, and it shifts the focus from the foreground, middle ground or background. Next up, we have the Relight tool, and this can be used to adjust the lighting position and temperature from any angle. Let's upload this image of a modern mid-century interior. On the right side, we can use the quick selection to choose the lighting position. Down below, we can adjust the brightness and the color of the lighting. Click generate, and within a few seconds, we can see that the daylit interior now has a soft, warm lighting. The angle of the light is from the bottom of the image, and the platform has seamlessly integrated the lighting on each individual furniture and element in the image. And the difference is huge. We can also use the orbit tool on the right side to adjust specific position of the lighting. Click generate, and this time the platform has added lighting more widely, and it also added fire to the fireplace. The sofas and furniture now have lighting falling on them from the top left. Here's the difference between all three images, and the way lighting has interacted with the elements is really impressive. The next tool is Draw to Edit, and this essentially allows us to draw elements on the image directly, and it brings those elements to life using the Nano Banana model. In this interior bedroom image, I'm trying to add more life by adding a woman sitting on the bed, a cushion, and some light on the ceiling. You might need to use the arrow to label these specific elements for the AI to understand better. Once we do that, let's click generate, and the platform seamlessly adds these elements into the image. I wouldn't say the elements are fully accurate and true to the base sketch that we provided, but this is definitely an interesting and powerful tool to try. The next tool is called Higgsfield Popcorn, and this allows us to edit our image like a storyboard. I've uploaded this image, which is a courtyard space of a community building, and we can describe multiple shots that we want from that single image. You can choose the number of results and the resolution and click generate. Once again, the platform surprised me by creating the images from multiple viewing angles as per our prompt. The AI model by itself is called Higgsfield Popcorn, which is specific to Higgsfield. I wouldn't say the model is very accurate in terms of architectural images, but it's definitely a powerful tool to try. Topaz is a high-resolution upscaler model, and we have that in Higgsfield as well. In this case, I've uploaded this image that we produced previously using the popcorn model. The human figures appear really broken, so let's see if this can be fixed. On the toolbar, we have the option to choose Topaz or Topaz Generator. This adds creative details to the image, so let's choose the generator. Choose a scale factor, and let's turn on the face enhancement. Set your creativity and strength, and we can also adjust the image settings for the upscaling. Click upscale, and we can see there's some great improvements on the image on both the human figures and the architectural details. The facial features now appear human-like, and there's some significant improvement on the stone benches and water reflections as well. We can of course play with these settings for even better results. For example, take a look at this image where the platform has significantly improved the architectural details, brickwork, and the vegetation. This tool can be used to get that crisp output on architectural renders and visualization. Here are some interesting video tools in Higgsfield. The first tool is Cinema Studio 2.0. This is pretty similar to what we saw earlier, but on the video features, we have specific camera movements, speed ramp, as well as start frame and end frame settings. I've uploaded the same image that we used previously of the A-frame cabin. Inside movement, we can choose how the camera moves on the video output. Let's choose drone shot, and the speed ramp can be adjusted to give us specific kind of cinematic shots. There are multiple presets for the video output, and we can choose to have audio or not. Let's click generate and see what it creates. This produces the kind of a cinematic drone shot featuring the architectural building. This is a 5-second shot, but we also have the option to extend the duration or stitch multiple shots to get a more cinematic output. The next tool out here is Mixed Media. This has a lot of crazy VFX that can be used for social media and Apple. There's not much relevant to architecture, but I found this sketch option to be interesting. Let's use the drone video that we produced. We can choose the frames and the color of the sketch, as well as different mediums of the output. Click generate, and this turns our video into a cool looking animation. This can be used for intros or B-rolls while presenting architectural projects. Another powerful tool here is Kling 3.0. This is one of the most powerful AI models for video generation currently. This has a start frame and end frame, and for this, I've created two images one with an empty shell of an interior, and one with furnitures. Let's upload that for the first frame and end frame. As for the prompt, let's ask the platform to make the furnitures fall from the ceiling onto their positions. Choose a resolution and click generate. The output is a dynamic and VFX heavy shot where all the furnitures and elements fall into their position with a cool looking movement and physics. This is one of those effects that we've been seeing on social media lately. Kling 3.0 by itself is a very powerful AI video model and it's highly capable in a lot of use cases. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a detailed video on Kling AI. The best practice would be to mix multiple tools that we just discussed. Maybe you can generate multiple images using the Angles 2.0 and use the Kling model to animate them. Higgsfield is definitely a powerful platform for designers and creators, and a lot of them have been using them already. But considering the subscription pricing, this would be more ideal to people who have already been using AI extensively, and it might not be the best for beginners who are just getting started. If you plan on trying Higgsfield, the link is in the description. Don't forget to check the masterclass on realistic floor plan rendering with Nano Banana. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. Let me know in the comments what other videos you would like to see in future. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.